Hi everyone, welcome to the back channel. The 2025 Tata Star Minibus is set to revolutionize the transport industry with its advanced features, efficiency, and comfort. Designed to cater to both urban and rural commuting needs, this latest model from Tata Motors brings a combination of reliability, performance, and modern aesthetics, making it an ideal choice for fleet operators and public transport services. One of the standout features of the Tata Star Minibus is its fuel-efficient engine, which ensures lower operational costs while delivering optimal performance. The vehicle is powered by a BS6-compliant diesel engine, designed to meet the latest emission norms and provide a cleaner, more sustainable transport solution. With improved mileage and reduced maintenance needs, this minibus is expected to be a cost-effective option for businesses looking to maximize profitability without compromising on quality. The Tata Star Minibus also excels in terms of comfort and safety. The spacious cabin is designed to accommodate passengers with ease, providing ample legroom and comfortable seating arrangements. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue for both drivers and passengers, making long journeys more enjoyable. In addition, the minibus is equipped with advanced safety features, including an anti-lock braking system, ABS seat belts for all passengers, and a reinforced body structure to enhance crash protection. Another major highlight of this minibus is its modern design and technological enhancements. The sleek and contemporary exterior is complemented by a stylish grille, LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours, giving it a premium look. Inside, the dashboard features a digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and smart connectivity options, making it a step ahead in terms of user experience. These innovations cater to both the driver's convenience and the overall passenger experience. Versatility is another strong suit of the Tata Star Minibus. It is available in multiple seating configurations to suit different transport needs, whether for school buses, employee transportation, or city shuttles. The strong chassis and suspension system ensure a smooth ride across different terrains, making it suitable for urban as well as semi-rural roads. Tata Motors has built a reputation for producing reliable and durable vehicles, and the 2025 Tata Star Minibus is no exception. With its combination of efficiency, safety, modern features, and affordability, it is set to become a preferred choice in the commercial transport sector. Whether for small business owners or large transport fleets, this minibus offers an excellent balance of quality and cost-effectiveness, ensuring a promising future in the market.